دوبي وحيدة بدل ها خلاص اخذها في التغيير وحيدة
And now, it's about to be 2026.
It's January.
It's January. No matter how many fireworks are, literally, no matter how many fireworks there are, they're super excited for the new year. As obvious. Gee, a lot of fireworks are spraying here. But even here, it looks like a firecracker about to explode. How much fireworks are there? Did you know that Netherlands has 17 trillion kgs of firework? Here's firework here. Even here, and yet even here, there's a lot of fireworks, and it's now 1 okay, I don't know how to say it, 1 minute in the morning, I mean in the night. Fireworks are spreading out. I'm about to get lazy after all this. It sounds like if guns were designed as fireworks.
Already 2 minutes after January.
Time? How does time fly that fast? Holy! Flies faster than a pigeon. This is just nuts. Already 3 minutes past the new year. Really? There's gonna be a lot of bangers. Most of the logos have changed. So, yeah. That's it for today. Have fun seeing fireworks in your side.